Hi, it's Rachel, and today we are doing a challenge. Who can stay in the chicken coop for 5 minutes? So let's get started. Oh, and this is my brother Arlo. This is like his first time being in a video. So, yeah. And this is my favorite toy. It's a burrito toy. And you can't eat it. But this little thing on the butt, it smells really good when you just smell it. It smells like cherry to me. But, yeah. So, and I got some toys in the background and some pictures. And Arlo, do you want to show anybody what you have? What do you have back there? Just looking back there to see. Yeah, he got the big, giant bucket of toys. And yeah.
Pillow fight!
No, not have a pillow fight. Not have a pillow fight. No. Well, we can't cut it. We can cut it, but we can't have a pillow fight. Because I don't.
Pillow fight!
I only have a pillow. We can't have a pillow fight. We can cut it. I brought
pillow fight!
And then I got some caliber papers. Are you okay, Arlo? Arlo, wake up. You're okay. He's just being silly, but we're gonna cut it. I don't know what to make, but
I'm just a foot.
I'm going to make just a bowl cut off. So, are you going to draw anything, or are you just going to take a nap, or what? Okay, just going to lay down, huh? Okay, get out of my way. Okay, guys, so I'll listen my way again. Okay, well, like this, Arlo is going to be my table. So where I draw on. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Arlo's just going crazy now. Okay. Well, this little sleepy butt. Okay. What's that to draw?
I licked it.
You licked it? Why did you lick the paper? Now I have to get a different paper. Oh, Arlo. Now I have to do this one. Now don't put your tongue on this paper. Yeah. Let's see.
Are you going to put it on me?
No.
Why?
Okay.
You're going to put it on me.
So I am going to... No, he's going to lick it. He just licked me. Stay back there, Arlo. Arlo! Okay, stay back there. Just let out the paper. Now what it says I can use. This black one? I think I kind of need it.
I never licked this one.
Arlo? Oh my gosh. Don't lick it. Okay? Don't lick it. Now don't lick it because I don't.
Oh, we did.
No, this one because I don't think you want to lick marker. So no.
It's only almost 5 minutes.
So, how do you know it's almost already 5 minutes? Oh, okay. Right. Then I said wait. Go play with the toys back there.
Pokemon card match!
I'm not playing Pokemon cards right now. Yeah, he bought his Pokemon cards. He has like 1,000 Pokemon cards. So, yeah.
Did we ever tell you that we're selling some?
Oh yeah, we're selling some in other video. So, before you watch this video, go watch that video and see and comment down below if you want any because I bet you guys love Pokemon. So,
because if people do that, we will delete this video from YouTube.
No, we won't.
If people don't do it.
No.
I just want to make another paper.
Hey, you already lit this paper, huh? Okay, let's take it away. That's all soggy. Don't have to lick it again. I'm already using it. Now you can't lick it anywhere. Markers everywhere. Ha ha.
Oh, I like markers.
I'm choking him. Bye-bye. Okay. Well, I made like outer space, like the moon, and then I made stars, and then all of the little space. Yeah. I don't know why he did that.
Now look you.
Okay. Well, he's just liquor.
It's past 5 minutes.
So yeah. So it's past 5 minutes. So we're going to end this video, and we love you guys. So
bye.
bye.